Well, hey folks, how's it all going? And oh man, chicken wings, chicken wings, chicken wings. I love chicken wings, folks. And which one of these am I gonna cook them on, huh? Hey, any suggestions? Any suggestions? Keep watching and I'll show you. Oh, come on, you're saying, really? On an air fryer? Folks, I'm perfectly honest with you. The best chicken wings I can make, and I'm sure there's a lot of people can make them just phenomenally well on the grill, but I'll tell you what, I just love cooking chicken wings on air fryer. And you know what? Here's an oldie but a goodie. When's the last time you saw me cook on the Keely Beam 5.8? I don't even know if they sell this thing anymore. So this was like a Power Air Fryer XL knockoff. And it really works very nicely. But I've grown to like the Cosori. But you know what? There's times you got to bring out the, you got to bring out a blast from the past. And let's get some chicken wings in there. All right, folks, prepping our chicken wings are really easy. In fact, these are kind of frozen. What I'm doing is I've got 6 of them, and I'm just cutting the wing tips off here, and I've got a nice poultry shear here, and just go through them like that. I could fit a couple more on there, actually. This one will probably hold about 8. I'm going to wash my hands real good, folks. In this day and age, we should all be washing our hands. When did that become a big deal? I thought washing hands was always a big deal. So I'm going to wash these hands, and then we're going to put a little bit of that seasoning on there, and then I'll show you how we start her up. All right, let's get her in there. And let's see if I can remember how to run this thing. So 15, I want to adjust the temp, and you can see you got that little temp triangle there that points up and one points down. The one that points up takes it to 400. And then I've got 15 minutes, I'm good with that. And then I think I just press that. Oh yeah, look at that. So simple, even I can do it. So we'll go for about 10 minutes, give you a look-see. All right. I know I was going to show you at 10 minutes, but YouTube, Have you checked out YouTube lately? How about Tom Horseman at YouTube? Don't forget to subscribe. Let's take a look, shall we? This thing, listen to that. It's quiet. This Keely Beam is a quiet air fryer. Oh yeah, we're going to give these a turn, and then we're going to continue on cooking. You stay tuned. All right, so I had bumped it back up to 15 minutes, so we went another 10 minutes. If there's anything about this air fryer, it doesn't cook as fast as the Cosori, but it is quiet, and I like that. So let's take a look. Wait. 5 minutes. Oh yeah, looking good. Couple more flips. Giving it another look-see. All right, folks, I took it back up to 15, and this is how I do wings on the Cosori. Now, the Keely Beam's a little bit different. It doesn't cook as hot as the Cosori, so like I want to do is 10, 10, 5, and 5, and that's every time I flip. So we're at the 5 on the Keely Beam. Let's take a quick look here, and you know what? Looking golden brown. I like this. Now, you can say, that's probably done. Yeah, and I'm sure it is. If we were to take a temp, it's way above 165. But when it comes to wings, I like to take it a lot hotter because it can withstand it and it gives you a crispy skin. So I'm going to flip them and go 5 more minutes. Stay tuned. All right, folks, this should be at. Let's take a quick look here. Oh man, that's looking good. So give you a look, see. Let's let them cool down, and then do a taste test. Oh man, folks, there it is. Take a little taste test. I'll tell you what, folks, look at that, golden brown. You can't get better than that right there. Folks, a lot going on in the country these days. Folks, chicken wings will solve all your problems. Tom Horseman at YouTube, over 850 videos, folks. What do you want to do? Let's sit down and watch Tom Horseman on YouTube. And that's all you got to do. Thanks for watching. Appreciate the comments.